So ever since I was a little girl, I followed my mom around while she was gardening and watering her plants all the time. So I always had kind of a strong interest in gardening and like the green space. So when I came to Villanova as a freshman, I joined the environmental learning community, and it was a great place and environment for me to meet other people with the similar interests and same passion for sustainability. I got the amazing opportunity to go abroad in the spring to Singapore, where I got to see sustainability firsthand and how sustainability and eco-friendly practices can be implemented on the bigger and better scale, and how that can really be implemented in various places in different ways to make the world a better place. So coming back this semester from abroad, I got the opportunity to help out with our new Villanova garden. It's great for me to be able to incorporate what I've learned and my interests into something tangible on campus.